Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to learn how to use the Rivet press machine to create these holes behind on a corset, dress, top, whatever it may be. So first, when you get the Rivet press machine, there are two rings. There's a slimmer ring, which is the one I'm holding now first. It's slim, it's small, it's light, and then there's a bigger ring. You can see the way it looks like. Yes, so we're going to learn how to use that to create this loop behind for the dress, for any corset outfit that you need. So first, you're going to put the bigger ring down. It's going to be facing upward because you can see it has a pointed part up. That top part, you're going to place it down. Then you're going to put the smaller ring on top of it on the Rivet press machine. When you've done that, you've placed the small ring, you're now going to, the Rivet press machine has a handle, so you're going to hit the handle about 2-3 times and then it's done. That's it. This is how it looks like. This is the right side and then this is the wrong side. So we're placing the bigger one down because that's the bigger ring. The bigger ring is going to be at the lower part, which is going to be showing on the right side. Then the smaller ring is going to be on the inside. So that's the same thing we're also going to do here. The bigger ring is down and then the smaller ring is going to be on top. It's going to be on the wrong side of the fabric. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do well to like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.